always remember, lagi niyong naririnig sa akin to, diamonds are born in events. Kayo na ang susunod. Yun lang ang ibig sabihin niyan. So let's all enjoy the night, banding, kantahan, and of course, learning from our leaders na susundan natin.
Happy with this event. Hindi ko ina-expect na ganito karami yung a-attend. In fact, sabi ko nga, this is the first time na may ganitong event, pero sobrang dami talaga. So, it's very successful and sobrang inspiring.
Thank you, Lord, kasi pinadala mo ang Live Good, na alam namin napakaraming taong matutulungan. Lalo na yung mga gustong mabago ang buhay. Talagang, Lord, thank you.